Hello, Internet. For those of you who saw the conclusion to my 2022 post-move assessment series, I stated that I probably needed to go back to the beginning, and more or less start over and rebuild my skill set. Well, today you're going to watch the literal application of that, because this is the first lock I ever unlocked. This is that Master Lock 141D. So I will be hopefully unlocking this. Finger, so I got a better feel. Higher up so I can feel the adjustments better. For those of you who have seen the original video, which I will throw in the link to somewhere, that took like, what was it, 7-8 minutes to unlock. Hopefully this won't take anyone near that long. The finger curved a bit more. There we go. So that is once again the first lock I ever unpicked, successfully picked. And still in like less than half the time it took me the first time. So my skills have not completely left me, they've just left me at this level. So until next time, subscribe if you want, and most importantly, have a nice day.